Hi all, I just want to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the SVBONY action camera. Now, if this action camera, it is similar to the selfie sticks and grips that I have used. This is very nice, okay? And this is going to extend just like this. You can make it into a tripod, anything like that. So those are your legs, okay? We'll put that aside. What do we got here? This is probably a mounting piece, I guess, or a strap, okay? Yep, there's your strap, so you don't lose it. And this, yep, this is a piece of your mount, a lock. It's going to go right in here. Or, sorry, get it on camera, right in there. All right, so we'll get that out of the way. You have just a little instruction booklet on how to use that. It's very easy. And now to the main attraction, the camera. If you guys want, you can take a look there. All the information. I tell you right now, I'm very impressed at this price at the packaging. Here is your instructions. Looks pretty detailed. A couple of different languages. I can already tell. Okay. And here's your camera. Is a budget action camera. It gets amazing reviews from everything I've looked at. And look at that. And it's in a watertight case. And I can already tell this is it's going to be a good camera for the money. And it records in 4K. Can't beat that. All right, so it comes with all sorts of little gadgets and doodads here. What else do we got? Oh my gosh. All right, so this thing is loaded. All right, so, all right, here's your battery. Let's see, how many mAh? 4.995 watt hours. I don't see, oh, 1350 mAh. I don't know if it gets in there. Okay. This is just, now you're just going to have a whole bunch of different types of mounts, okay? Tons of different mounts. This looks like a belt clip, okay? More mounts for your tripods. This right here, you have another lanyard, some zip ties, and just some dust cloths. What do we got in here? This looks like a cable, maybe? Yep, there's your charging cable, red. So let's see what we think. Oh, wow. When you take it out, I have USB. USB-C, okay? There are more straps, so you're going to be able to hook this up to anything. You don't really have to buy. This is like an all-in-one unit. You don't have to buy a whole lot of accessories. Even comes with a microphone, guys. Wow. Microphone. This is a remote, so you can take pictures and turn your video on and off. Again, there's another mount, all different types of mounting accessories, guys. So you're going to be able to mount this anywhere. Look at this. So many different options. All right, so if you're looking for a beginner action camera, I would definitely consider this. When I can, I'm going to do a demo of this to give you an update on it, but I can tell you, as long as it films halfway decent video, just with all the accessories alone, I am confident that this is a good camera, and the reviews will confirm that. Just look at them yourselves. Yeah, there's not much more else to say. If you're looking, I already tell you. This tells me they took care into developing this, because look, even though for a budget camera, this is definitely a solid choice. Is considered a budget camera. This packaging is very nice. So my guess is they are trying to offer a good product at a low price. Now, let's see here. Now, being a content creator, I have a decent idea of quality, and I'll let you know. So this is going to be your hand grip, or like a selfie stick, okay? And I can tell you this is already very